Okay, splits. All right, you're going to attempt to do the splits as wide as you can. Okay, as wide and comfortably as you can. First stretch, you're going to reach forward. Okay, you're going to try to go as far forward as you can. Use the ground to assist yourself to go forward. This is a 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After which, you're going to go to your left side. You're going to grab your leg with one hand. You're going to attempt to grab with the other hand. If you can't grab the other hand, you're going to go ahead and place it as far forward on your leg as possible. You're going to go ahead and do an 8 count again. And you're going to use your hand to pull yourself forward. You should feel it a lot on your hamstring right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to grab that leg or that foot with your hand. You're going to place the other hand here. If you can reach forward and grab your foot all the way, that's great. If you can't, go ahead and place your foot on your leg or your hand on your leg, and you're going to do an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.